Good morning, students. Let us start with English grammar lesson number 6, the adjective kinds of adjective. Today I am going to explain you exercise 1. Exercise 1. Pick out the adjective in the following sentence, underline them and write what kind of adjective each one is. One has been done for you. First one. There are 25 boys in this class. How many boys are there in this class? 25. So what is 25? Adjective of number. And it is a definite numeral adjective, because it denotes an exact number, and in that also it is a cardinal adjective. Second, neither party has done the right thing. So what is neither? Distributive adjective. What kind of thing the neither party has done? Right thing. So what is right? Adjective of quality. Third, there is little hope of her recovery. So here, how much hope is there for her recovery? Little hope. So what is little? Adjective of quantity. Whose recovery? Her recovery. So what is her? Possessive adjective. Fourth, he made several mistakes. How many mistakes he made? Several mistakes. So what is several? Adjective of number. And that also it is what? Indefinite numeral adjective, because it do not denote an exact number. Fifth, I do not like those foolish people. So here, which people I do not like? Those foolish people. So what is those? Demonstrative adjective. Sixth, few men came to see the match. So here, how many men came to see the match? Few men. So what is few? Adjective of number, and that also it is an indefinite numeral adjective, because it do not denote an exact number. 7. The thirsty crow drank the cold water. What kind of crow drank the water? Thirsty crow. Cold water. So here thirsty and cold both are adjective of quality. 8. The rich man gave the poor beggar 10 rupees. What kind of man gave the What kind of beggar 10 rupees? Rich man and poor beggar. So here rich and poor, what is it? Adjective of quality, because it tells us about the quality of a man as well as a beggar. Okay. And how many rupees the rich man gave to the poor beggar? 10 rupees. So what is 10 rupees? Adjective of number, and that also it is a definite numeral adjective, cardinal adjective, because it denotes an exact number. Ninth, those women belong to a small village. Which women belong to a small village? Those women. So what is those? Demonstrative adjective. What kind of village those women belongs to? Small village. So what is small? Adjective of quality. 10th, the blind beggar had a little money. What kind of beggar had a little money? Blind beggar. So what is blind? Adjective of quality. How much money the blind beggar had? Little money. So what is little? Adjective of quantity. 11th one. What kind of a man is he? It asks a question and at the end there is a question mark. So what is it? It is an interrogative adjective. So write down interrogative adjective. 12th. Which book contains beautiful pictures? Again it asks question and at the end there is a question mark. So here write down which is an interrogative adjective. And what kind of picture it is? Beautiful picture. The book contains a beautiful pictures. Okay, so beautiful is an adjective of quality. 13. A bad workman blames his tools. Here, what kind of workman blames his tool? Bad workman. So what is bad? Adjective of quality. Whose tools? His tools. So what is his? Possessive adjective. 14. Japanese goods are cheaper than English goods. So here Japanese as well as English are proper adjective. What kind are Japanese goods? They are cheaper than the English goods. So what is cheaper? Adjective of quality. 15. Every man has his duty. So what is every? Distributive adjective. Whose duty? His duty. So what is his? Possessive adjective. 16. The old man put on a black coat. So what kind of man put on a what kind of coat? Old man and black coat. So what is old and black? Adjective of quality, because it describes about the quality of a man as well as a coat. 17. The young man climbed a tall tree. Again, what kind of man climbed a what kind of tree? Young man, tall tree. So here again young as well as tall describes about the quality of a man as well as a tree. Okay, so here young and tall is a adjective of quality. 18. What books are you reading? Again it asks question and then there is a question mark. So what is what? Interrogative adjective. So write down interrogative adjective. 19. Such men are dangerous. Which men are dangerous? Such men. It points out. Okay, so here such is what? Demonstrative adjective. What kind of man? Such are dangerous. So what is dangerous? Adjective of quality. 20th. Which way shall we go? It asks a question and then there is a question mark. So what is which? Interrogative adjective. So write down interrogative adjective. Hope students, you have understood textual exercise 1. Thank you.